how to make a big ring fit you. I actually have never done this before, but I feel like I'm doing it right, do you know what I mean? So I got this ring from a charity shop and it's way too big. It's way too big. So what we need to do, we need resin, UV resin, LED light. We also need a nail file. Now you're gonna be like, I don't have UV resin. Then go off this video. And I got this one, £7 at Amazon. Literally just buy it and then with a UV light and then keep it in your drawer, because anytime anything breaks, anytime you need like a little doot, then you got UV resin and you can, it's like whole glue gun, but better because it just is. Okay, first I gotta change the batteries. Oh, come on. Okay. Ready? Take the resin and then you put it inside the ring. Extra layer. And then you dry it. Do you see what I did? And then you dry it. Do you see what I did? Do you see now? There's like a thicker layer there. So now we dry it. Takes like a minute or two. So you do like a little bit. And then you dry it for a bit so that it's a bit hard, so then you can layer it. Layer more on. Oh, quick. Look how much. You'd rather have more than less, because then you can just take a nail file and file it off, rather than if you gotta add more, then you gotta whip all your stuff out. Okay. See, like now it's too small. So now I can just file it into my size. So I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna put it in this jar, just like this. I made like a little UV oven. Perfect. Okay. It's been cooking for 5 whole minutes. Wakey. Perfect. Rock hard. They're like shrinked. What the heck, man? It's still a bit loose. Rather than if you gotta add more, then you gotta whip all your stuff out. Sadly, here is fine, but the sides are a bit on the sides. So it's like a curve. Does that even make sense? Oh, it's burning my finger. I might be completely ruining this ring. I hope no one heard me say that. It's like, oh, no. Ow, that's bad. That like purple stung. Okay, this is a mess. It should be fun. Let me do that again. Now we take a nail file. Okay, it's all covered now. It really doesn't fit now. Now we file it, and it's gonna take a while. This is taking so much longer than I thought it would. Let me actually get it. Oh, it fits. Yes! It fits. Why doesn't it fit in this finger? That's fine. Yo. Yes. That makes me so happy. Yo, that's actually amazing. Wow! Here's the final piece. It literally works so good. And now like and subscribe, please.